If that Pfizer vaccine becomes available, a Guntersville man will be among those we'll be thankful for. WAY 31's Sophia Borelli spoke with him about his role in the trial for Pfizer's coronavirus vaccine.
I have several family members, including my mom, who have underlying conditions, and they have expressed wanting to have a vaccine sooner rather than later because they are in danger. And so I thought, well, somebody's got to do this. Somebody's got to sign up to volunteer. So I'm in pretty good health, so I figured, why not me? Because if we sit back and just say, let somebody else do it, then we would never get a vaccine.
Carson Clark said he heard about the Pfizer vaccine trial from a friend from high school who participated in it. Clark said he thought about it, and in September, he was chosen to participate in it.
They gave me an injection in my upper arm, and the next day I got some fatigue, a little bit of a headache, which led me to believe that maybe I'd gotten the real thing. Then 3 weeks later, I went back and they drew some blood, and then they gave me a second injection in my arm. And the next day, the same thing. I got a little bit of fatigue and headache, and then that was it.
Clark says he believes he was one of the people in the trial who received a vaccine and not the placebo.
They don't tell you if you're getting the real vaccine or placebo.
Right.
So I decided to go and get antibody tested on my own. And a couple of days later, it came back that I do now have COVID antibodies. So that's another reason I think that I probably got the real vaccine and not a placebo.
After going through the trial, Clark says that he would recommend the vaccine to anyone interested in getting it.
My experience is that I had mild symptoms, a little fatigue and a headache, and I think that's, worth not getting full-blown COVID. So if you're on the fence, my opinion would be, to go ahead and do it.
In Guntersville, Sophia Borelli, WAY 31 News.
Pfizer says its vaccine is about 95% effective and that the company did not find any serious safety concerns in its clinical trial.